Today we are making broccoli and beef stir fry. Thinly sliced beef is seasoned and sautéed with broccoli. It's a staple Japanese home-cooked dish similar to the Chinese classic. Our version is less saucy and lightly flavored, making it perfect for everyday meal. First, we cut sliced beef into 2-inch width. You can get this thinly cut beef at Japanese market or some grocery stores. And freshly grated garlic. In a bowl, mix the cut beef with soy sauce, sake, and katakuriko potato starch or cornstarch. Marinating the beef will help keep the beef juicy and tender. Let it sit for a few minutes. Separate the broccoli florets into bite-sized pieces and slice the stem into thin strips. And we are going to steam the broccoli in a pot with just a half cup of water. Cover and cook for 2 minutes. Strain immediately and set aside. Heat oil in a frying pan or a wok. Then add the marinated beef and cook over medium heat for a couple of minutes. Next, add the cooked broccoli and stir fry for a minute. Season with salt, grated garlic, and sake. We are keeping it simple, but it's very flavorful. Cook for another minute, then plate and serve. It's super easy, healthy, and delicious. We hope you give it a try.
美味しい。美味しいね。